with other phones na ayun. Ito yung may handles lang ng casual kamay. So, I usually do plan kasi girl, ayoko naman siyang dikitan ng ganyan, diba? So, ano na lang yun nasa ito. But, ayan, lagay ito ng pen. So, usually that may ganito ka. This one. And the pop socket. So, ako, I'm planning dapat na ito. So, naman lang ito. And, ayan. Because I'm still thinking. Kasi it's OG, be. It's OG. So, I need it to be worth it.